Are you tired of feeling left out of conversations about the stock market? Do news shows, Hollywood films, and TV make you feel like everyone else knows what they're talking about, but you're just not sure where to begin? Have no fear, because we're here to help demystify the world of stocks and shares, and to help you understand the natural flow of the stock market. Investing in stocks, also known as equities, can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. But as a beginner, understanding how the market works and why stocks go up and down can feel like trying to decode a secret language. The stock market can be a complex and ever-changing landscape, with stocks rising and falling based on a variety of factors such as company performance, economic conditions, and market sentiment. However, by understanding the natural flow of the stock market, you can start to build your own investment strategy and navigate through the market with greater ease. Here are a few suggestions to assist you in understanding the stock market and set you on the way to achieving success. Number 1. Choose wisely. Picking the perfect stock is like searching for a needle in a haystack. Sure, past performance can give you an idea, but predicting a stock's future success is a whole different game. To come out on top in the stock market, you must be willing to roll up your sleeves, do the research, and acquire practical wisdom and financial education on each company. It's not just about looking at numbers and charts, it's about getting to know the company inside and out, understanding their goals, and anticipating their next moves. It's a demanding task, but when done right, it can lead to a profitable investment. By acquiring practical wisdom and financial education, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and come out on top in the stock market. Number 2. Diversify your portfolio and spread the risk. Diversification, the act of spreading your investments across different stocks and industries, is crucial for any investor looking to minimize risk and maximize returns. Picture it like planting a garden. You wouldn't put all your seeds in one spot, you would spread them out to ensure a bountiful harvest. The same principle applies to your portfolio. By diversifying, you're spreading the risk across different stocks and industries, so that if one stock underperforms, it won't have a drastic effect on your overall portfolio performance. It's a smart strategy that will give you peace of mind and a better chance at long-term success in the stock market. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify and watch your investments grow. Number 3. Be prepared for anything. The stock market can be a roller coaster ride, and for many investors, the hardest part is dealing with the ups and downs. Losses are an inevitable part of the game, and it's important to have a thick skin and a long-term perspective when it comes to your investments. Diversifying your portfolio and understanding the principles of personal finance can help reduce the impact of any single stock on your overall returns. It's important to remember that the market can change quickly and unexpectedly, just like the year 2020 has shown. The key is to ride out the short-term volatility and focus on the attractive long-term returns. Investing in stocks is not without risk, and it's important to understand that stocks don't have principal guarantees. So steel yourself for the turbulence and remember, volatility can happen both on the way up and the way down. Personal finance education and knowledge can help you better understand and manage the risks associated with stock investing and help you make more informed investment decisions. Number 4. Practice stock trading with a simulator. One way to ease into the world of investment is to start with stock simulators. Using a virtual trading account with Play Money, you can test the waters and see how you fare in the stock market without risking your real money. Not only will you be able to see how you would react to gains and losses in a real scenario, but it also allows you to see if you really have what it takes to pick the best stocks and make the right moves in the market. It's a great way to get a feel for the market without the stress of real money. But before you start, it's important to ask yourself why you're investing. Are you looking to make quick gains, or are you in it for the long haul? Are you comfortable with the risk involved, or are you looking for a more conservative approach? Answering these questions will help you determine if investing in stocks is the right choice for you, and if so, stock simulators are a great way to start. Number 5. Long-term portfolio commitment. Investing can be a daunting task, especially when the daily financial news cycle seems to be filled with nothing but volatility and uncertainty. But it's important to remember that investing is a long-term activity that requires patience and a steady hand. By divorcing yourself from the constant chatter of the news and focusing on your portfolio infrequently, you'll be able to manage your emotions and make smart, informed decisions. One strategy for beginners is to set up a calendar and predetermine when you'll be evaluating your portfolio. This will prevent impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and help you to fully reap the benefits of well-performing investments. Remember, investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay calm, stay focused, and trust in the power of patience and a well-planned strategy. With time, you'll be on your way to long-term success. Number 6. Don't wait, just start. Searching for the ideal moment to dive into the stock market can be a futile endeavor. The truth is, no one knows with certainty when the best time to invest is. And that's because investing is a long-term activity meant to be approached with a steady hand and a clear vision. The most important thing is to get started. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity because there is none. The key to success in investing is to start now and continue to invest regularly over time. So set up a savings program and stay committed to your long-term goals. Don't let the uncertainty of the market hold you back from reaching your financial objectives. Take the first step today and let the power of time and consistency work in your favor. Number 7. Steer clear of short-term trading. As a new investor, it's important to understand that the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Buying and selling stocks frequently may seem like a surefire way to turn a profit, but it can come with hidden costs. From taxes to broker fees, constantly trading stocks can add up and eat into your potential earnings. But the real danger lies in investing for the short term. When you're focused on quick gains, you risk not having your money when you truly need it. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term game and patience is key. By taking the more thoughtful and calculated approach to investing, you'll be better equipped to weather market fluctuations and come out ahead in the long run. Last but not least, number 8. Be patient. Creating wealth is a process that requires patience, dedication, and a long-term perspective. It's not just about investing money in the stock market, but rather, it's about creating a sustainable system that allows you to consistently save and invest over time. One of the key elements in this process is having a strong saving discipline. This means setting aside a portion of your income each month and using it to grow your investments. By doing this, you'll be able to gradually increase the amount of money you have working for you in the stock market, thus accelerating your wealth-building journey. Think of it like planting a seed. At first, it may seem small and insignificant, but with proper care, it will slowly start to grow. As you consistently save and invest, your money will multiply and your wealth will start to flourish. It's a slow process, but the rewards are well worth it. As you begin your journey into the world of stock investing, remember that it's not about making a quick buck, but rather, it's about building wealth over time and working towards financial independence. Just like a garden, it takes patience, dedication, and a long-term perspective to make your investments flourish. But don't be intimidated, the stock market is not as complicated as it may seem. With the right tools and knowledge, you'll be able to navigate it with ease, so don't be afraid to take the first step and start investing today. Who knows, one day you may find yourself sitting on a verdant financial garden, reaping the rewards of your hard work and discipline, and achieving the financial independence you've been working towards.